Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the trim and split for your CapCut video editing. So first, after you open of course CapCut application and you choose the video that you want to work on. So here as you can see you have this bar here, you can customize it as you want. So for example you want to cut and split those two videos, so you are going to drag this bar where you want to do that, and once you confirm you are going to click on the letter B for in your keyboard. As you can see, once you click on B you will have this, you select. So for example we want to cut here, you just click here, and now as you can see we have two separate videos, we split it from each other. And just to remove this one you just click on A in your keyboard, and as you can see you will have back this one normal, and as you can see you will have now this separate video. You can place it whatever that you want or wherever that you want, so for example here or here, you can choose. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.